Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. This is Raja. In this video, we are going to look at the stock Tesla weekly update. I am doing this video for last few weeks now. So if you want to refer the old video, please go ahead and refer it in the playlist. So let's look at this chart and see what's going on with this stock this week. And it acted a little bit weird. So let's see how things goes from here, whether it is still a buy or a hold or a sell. So let's look at the chart and see how this sucker now go from here. And before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. All the information are recorded out there. It's up to date with the date. And please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on many stocks in coming days. Okay, as always, we'll start with the website tracker. This stock is added to the tracker back in 323 when it was trading around $86, which is split adjusted price. And as of today, it's closed well over $400.18. And the stop loss was around $79, which was never in danger. And the maximum entry price at the time was $91. So if you come down below the chart, it's offered many secondary entry point along the way. These prices are not spread adjusted. We can see that one on May 5th, another on June 8th, another on July 1st, and the last one was on August 13th when was trading around $1,500, which is equivalent to like roughly 300 or so as of today's split adjusted price. So as we cover the history, let's look at the chart and see what the hell is going on with the stock. Okay, before we start, it's a broken record again. You are looking at the weekly setting for Tesla. I like the weekly settings because it eliminates a lot of daily noise, so it gives you some kind of clear trend for short-term trading, anywhere between a week to 3 weeks to 6 months. So this stock is added to the tracker when it's found support at its 50-week move, the 200-week day moving average, or 50-week moving average, to say, because the two indicators that I follow is the 50-week moving average and the 10-week moving average. So it's added to the tracker when it's found support here. It is offered a secondary entry point right over here, right over here, and right over here. So these are also now recorded there. And the last one was the one we're talking about, the 1500 price range right here. And after that, the stocks rallied really nicely. Then last week, it's looked like clear bearish sign, like it went up, went down, and closed in the middle. So it's not broken yet, but at the same time it's not look great. So I believe this stock is as expected, it's so much supply and so much hype and so much people getting in and out. So that is the reason this stock is getting under pressure. And again, a lot of quantity of stocks are now available for sale because it is exported 5 times the volume. So which is obvious. So it's going to give us the stock a couple of weeks to stabilize. So if at all the history repeats, I am expecting this stock to now form this kind of pattern, at least for next few weeks, and this 10-week moving average catch up with around the 360, 380 price range. That was I am looking at this kind of stock is going to settle for next few weeks. I could be wrong, but I believe this stock is now going to settle around 350, 360 range. If it settle in that range, is really, really good for this stock and for everybody, because it's going to consolidate and it will have another explosive move like this. So I hope this stocks consolidate a little bit here for next few weeks. Then it gives you a lot of good buying opportunity. So as of now, if you bought the stock around this price range, which is a 1500, stay tight. It's not broken yet. It is still a good stock. S&P 500, they can catch up sometime later, which is not a big deal. They made a big deal out of the news. That's the only problem with this stock. But joining the S&P 500 or not taking it out, it's not a big deal. Every companies, every mutual fund and every big institution own this stock anyways. So it's not a big deal. Okay, it's kind of symbolic. So don't hang up on that. So hopefully the stocks get settled for a few more weeks. So as of now, this stock is hold. I do not buy any more things until the dust gets settled. And I want to cover one more thing with the options. The prices are really, really ridiculously high, even though the stock is not making any explosive move as far as the option is concerned. So if you look at Apple, those stocks are now reasonably priced. Like even though the split adjusted is going to be like $40. When you come over here, the same 5% of move here is almost like like 67. It's $40 in Apple, like a $67 in Tesla. It's not apple to orange comparison, but it's still not ridiculously highly priced. Even the move was the same move. So like if you look at the October 25 call, it was not trading around $6 in the beginning of the day. Now it's close to well over $7.60. It's almost 30 to 40% of move in a single day. But this guy now didn't move anywhere for this premium. So as of now, I would not touch this stock. Just hang tight if you happen to have this stock. It's having a lot of potential, but do not buy anything more. Let it consolidate for a few more weeks. Okay, guys. As of now, Tesla is on hold. Do not buy the stock any, and do not try to short this shit. Okay, it is really, really, very, very explosive if you're trying to short this guy. So let it dust get settled, and it hopefully offer a very good, attractive entry point sometime in the near future. If so, I will update it. So please check out our website. I'll put the tracker link in the description section so you can refer it whenever you want. It will get updated at the end of the day with the stock closing price. And please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere, and we love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to now subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more weekly updates on this stock and other stocks in coming days. And have a great weekend.